When it comes to picking the right insurance policy, most people cannot deny that price and cost is an important factor. We're here to tell you it is not the only very important for you to consider. There are still many out there who are confused about what they need to look for when picking a reliable insurance company, the right coverage, and insurance rates without sacrificing too much out-of-pocket expenses. We all know car maintenance gets pricey, and no one wants to spend more than they need on their transportation. Here, we'll present you some other tips that can make the car insurance buying process a little bit easier. For one, you need to find insurance companies you can trust. Start out by scouring reviews of companies, compare options, and compare free auto insurance quotes from different websites to make sure you are getting the best and most accurate quote. Definitely look at customer service, because chances are, you are going to be calling them one day and you want to minimize time wasted as much as possible. Make sure their service is accessible and you don't have to go through hoops just to talk to a real-life person to assist you in any problems. Secondly, compare coverage from different policies, companies, and quotes. You are looking for the best coverage for the money you put out. Say you get into an accident and totally wreck your car. If a policy gives you enough to cover the replacement of your vehicle or the person whose car you've damaged, this is an ideal plan. Also look out for medical coverage. This will at least give you some peace of mind that you will be financially able to pay for any medical treatment you may need. Now comes to the deductible and premium rates. Sit down and budget first. How can you afford out of pocket? The premium is the monthly cost of the insurance plan, and directly affects the deductible, which is what you pay out of pocket before any insurance coverage is accounted for. Generally, if your deductible is high, your premium will be lower, and vice versa. Of course, it is up to you to find the optimal balance between the two. Next, consider what is required by law and what isn't necessary in your insurance plan. Knowing the bare amount you need is something to consider for those families with tight budgets. If you can afford full coverage, you are one of the lucky few. But for others, of course, check your state requirements and edit your policy according to what you can handle, and also what you deem as important. Choosing between auto insurance quotes is pretty simple nowadays with so many deals out there. Some sites allow you to fill out a form and instantly compare hundreds of reliable car insurance rates from leading insurance providers. Compare similar policies to one another and do not settle on the first insurance quote you find. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.